Okay, today we're going to solve one of these word problems, and we're going to write a step function, and then we're going to graph it. And then you guys are going to have to do this also on an exit ticket and on your practice problems. Okay, this is on page 64 in your book, this question. So just maybe pause this and go ahead and copy this down. Okay, so I'm going to kind of skim through it with you. We're getting information about a day ticket for a ski lift, and it gives the different prices based on the age. So we are going to be able to set up a step function for this. So they want us to write the step function f of x that can be used to determine the cost in dollars of a day ticket, given x years old. So the first part says it's $25 for children at least 6 years old and less than 13. So I'm going to start mine with my function. So f of x. I'm going to do my bracket here. Okay, so my step would be $25. That's my price. If, let's see, 6, at least 6, but less than 13. Okay, so there's the one step. Then it says for students at least 13 and less than 19, it costs $45. So that step is 45 if less than 19. Okay, so there's step number 2. A day ticket for adults at least 19 costs $60. So that's my third step. We're just going to say x is greater than or equal to 19, because those will be the adult ages. Okay, so there's your step function. Now we're going to put this on a graph. So go ahead, I've kind of started a little graph right here. Age on the x-axis, and then the ticket price in dollars on the y. Okay, I'm going to go by 2's on my age axis. So this is at 0. Just go out to 20. I'm going to go by 5's on my ticket price. It's the very top, 60. So I think I've got that 5, 10, 15, 20. Yep, okay, looking good. So now we're going to graph our steps. So $25, that would be up to here if you are age 6 to 13. So I'm going to go up to 25, which is right here. I'm on 6. That's going to be a closed circle because that includes age 6. And out to 13, which will be kind of halfway in between here. And that'll be an open circle because it does not include age 13. Okay, now I go up to 45, and that's between 13 and 19. So back to 13 here. Okay, now that's going to be closed because now it does include 13. It goes out to 19. And that's going to be open. There's our second step. And then up to 60. I'm going to go 19. Which would be right here, and that's going to be closed. Now this step is actually a ray because it goes greater than or equal to 19. So it's just going to keep going, up and up and up with those adult ages. So that's an arrow there. And there's your word problem, step function, and graph.